Ngwa. Hurry up, Beacon. Hurry up. This is okay. Please hurry up, eh? I don't want my grandchildren to come here and start perceiving death. I told them, mancha. Hurry up. Blessing. Ngwa, go upstairs. So. Go and complete it. And you, please, just hurry up, eh? Let me check for Dokubo outside. Please, hurry up. No one nonsense for me. No guard up. Dokubo.
This one surprised me. Huh? Sure? Even if the second coming of Jesus Christ. I beg, we'll just try put things together before we go. Blessing our rooms upstairs. Every don't do Jesus will be in bed day. They never prepare for a rich like this. My prepare this one.
Dance hall to you. No, ma'am. My friend, concentrate and finish up what you're doing. Okay, ma'am. You must wash and dry this place before they get here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah? Why are you the decorator? Ngwa, hurry up, please. Eh? Hurry up, then you come inside and finish the one inside. They are on their way.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hurry up! Ngwa. So you come inside and finish the one inside. Because hurry up, eh?
This year me not crave for anybody. Christmas to prepare my body.
As I was saying, my grandchildren are coming. And in fact, any moment from now, they'll be here. Before you carry them, you sanitize your hands. Don't carry them with your dirty hands. So make sure you sanitize your hands. And whatever they are going to eat, be careful with whatever that goes into their system. Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes.
Don't just give them anything anyhow. Be sure of what you're giving to them. Your hands must always be sanitized. Is that not my phone ringing?
Oh, yes, ma'am, it's your phone. Where can I get it?
Hello? Eh? My grandchildren, they are here.
Mama! No! Good to see you again, Mama. You're so beautiful.
Bring my granddaughter for me. Bring my granddaughter.
We're finally Nigerian, guys.
Yes.
Look at grandma. She looks so ageless.
Yes, grandma is ageless.
Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
No.
Hey, Mama. Mama, look at you. Looking all beautiful.
Are you
as
usual. You with all girls, you are still strong. Hey, I'm so happy. No. Hey, this is grandma. Come to grandma. Come to grandma. Hey,
careful with the bags.
Onye kambo. Ojo. No. Okay. Bring the boxes and bring them down.
Let's go inside. You're welcome. No. Bring down the boxes.
Dad. Won't you be tired?
Hello, girls. Please do come down for dinner. Your parents will wait.
I'm not hungry.
Even so, you still need to come downstairs.
Yes, please let's go already. What did you even prepare?
Different delicacy. I'm sure you're going to see something you like. You have to come downstairs, Ada.
Fine.
Let's go.
What is making you be like? Forget it now, do lunch. If you want more food, there is. I'll just go and bring it up for you.
Mama. You're going to suffocate your children with food. Ha! Take it easy, please.
Once there's some people will lose their shape.
Who is looking for shape?
Mama, you are not informed. Okay, let me tell you. Some people like your granddaughter over there, Ada, she doesn't want to eat much so that she don't add weight to.
Grandma, you're seriously gonna believe my mom?
That's the truth.
Even you, Dad?
My own is that no one should starve. There is plenty of food and drink.
Okay.
I want pepper soup.
And me too.
Nothing, man. I'll prepare it.
With catfish.
Bimbo.
Dad.
I'll prepare it.
My family.
Hey, thank you for the food, oh, thank you. It is smell tire. Just stress you, no.
My tired is tired.
With 2 maids and chef. And I know say Mama go help na for kitchen.
See, even with 3 maids gone, the workload is too much. Do you know how many meals we have to prepare today? I beg.
I'm true, Sha. All those American children. They get wahala.
As in,
But anyway, you heavily paid. They pay you from big money.
I beg you. Which kind of mumu heavily paid with that one? So because I'm heavily paid, I should now suffer and kill myself.
Cash out.
Let's see your food chop. Good night.
Bring water for me. Or very cold mineral.
Not really mineral. You no go like champagne joint.
If I like Azu.
I beg get that.
Now where you man dey work, where him dey chop. Don't forget to Azu and glass up. Wow, this was sweet though.
Yes, sir, we're back. We thank God. It was an amazing one. Yes, sir, Kemis, yes, sir. All right, sir. Hey, honey. Your father.
Oh, Lord. Bami. Benny, sir. Atide. Okay. Sure, that won't be a problem. Okay, Dad. That's fine. Good night.
What? Are you fighting with your father?
Yes, I am fighting with my father. Oof.
What is it?
Honey, you don't want to know.
Hey, come on, tell me. What's happening?
That man wants me to actually sponsor his wedding. Like he wants to take another wife. Or me as he wants to take another wife. And he wants me to sponsor it. Oh, good.
Oh, don't even start. This is... No, this is serious.
Bye-bye.
And really funny, you know.
Baba me.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
And you know the funniest part is that he calls me Kemi, Fumilowo, Ofeshele. Oh
hey,
my
honey, hold on a second. Like, your father wants to marry another wife and he wants you to sponsor it. Oh, Grandpa, jeez.
But honey, stop.
Grandpa's really funny. You know?
This is the reason why I did not want to tell you.
It's funny. Your father is... Oh, Jesus. He wants to marry another wife.
He does. Can you beat that? Like that. You know what? I wish he wouldn't have to come here. Like, I really wish he's not gonna come here.
Hey, but you heard him. He's coming. He's definitely coming.
Yeah, that's gonna be a lot for us. I don't know what to say, but...
But you don't miss him.
Who be that person? This guy early money. No girls away from the come. Respect is a reciprocal. Calm down and let me open the gate. If you knock a girl, I'm not going to open the door. With this person, you need to hear something.
Orie, ó ti dàrú pátápátá.
Yes, sir.
Ẹranko jati.
Yes, sir.
Look, you are no longer normal.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Or maybe you want to lose your job.
No, sir.
I will help you to lose your job now.
No, I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Nonsense.
Yes, sir.
Come on, take my bag. I will leave my bag.
Sorry, sir.
Idiot.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. How was the journey, sir? Welcome, sir. Sir, where's the bread? Welcome. This man don't come again.
Evelyn,
let me get up and greet you first.
I knew you would be here.
Why would I be here?
Oh, sharp. Kenegi.
Sit down, Olani.
You are always here.
Why would I be here?
I understand. I know.
Where else will I be? Look at you. I had to come over to stay with my daughter-in-law with her children. You, what are you doing here?
There's something that brought me now.
Look at you. Please go and take care of your numerous wives you have at home. Go and take care of them.
I don't have your time. Look, Chef, in Bilobandi, you know what I said? I am hungry. So, get me bread, fresh bread. You know the type of bread I want? Succulent, soft, bread, tea, and egg. Okay? Alele. Bianiba. That's my egg with plenty pepper, so that I'll be hit. That's the way I like it. Thank you.
Olani, you will never change.
For what?
Olani, you will never change.
I am doing well, but frankly speaking, you are looking more beautiful.
I wanted to bring you tight.
Shabby.
She's Adora.
Adora come. Ashabi.
Adora.
Say you want to do Ashabi.
Carry her. Go there. You are here to do what I'm here to do.
No problem.
So carry her.
Let me supervise the house.
Let me follow you and make sure you're supervising this well.
Alpha, what's happening? I heard voices outside.
Grandpa is here.
So early.
You go fear. You need tea, bread, and fried egg.
Rihanna, you're the chef. Start cooking.
Didn't he eat in his house?
He's outside. Don't you want to go and ask him that?
Sorry.
Start cooking. That man eats like... This time.
Good morning, Grandma.
Good morning, darling. Big boy still sleeping.
Someone that eats all the food. What do you expect?
Do not insult me. I heard you.
Well, I'm your big sister, so there's nothing you can actually do.
It's okay, no fighting, darling. No fighting. Good morning, darling. No fighting, eh? Grandpa is downstairs. Maybe you want to come down and greet him.
Grandpa, my G.
Yeah. Where's Rally bag? I need to get her ready. She's been playing since 5 a.m.
That's right for you.
Grandma, it's that one, the white one.
This one?
Yes, Grandma.
Okay.
Grandma, do you need help with anything?
Thank you, I'm fine.
Are you not coming down to say hi to Grandpa?
It's stressful leaving the bed.
It's Yoku. We are fine. Osimu, we are fine. My friend Seba been here, so come and greet Grandpa. Osimu is stressful to leave the bed. Hey, no kwa. Let's go. Your Grandpa is here. It's downstairs, actually. Let's go. Then can now.
Hello, Joanne. Join me now. Join me.
Oh my God, Grandpa, what are you doing, Grandpa?
Doing what?
Dipping the bread into the tea.
Is there anything wrong with that?
Yes, that is so wrong, Grandpa.
Who says? Only by which definition? Because I enjoy it this way. Do your thing in your own way now. Must I do it the way they do it over there? Is it composed? My dear, come and join me.
No, Grandpa, I'm fine.
Don't come and eat, my friend.
Oh, no, Grandpa, I'm fine.
No, you must.
No, Grandpa.
You must do something.
No, Grandpa.
Don't let this one put me to shame. Come on.
No.
Okay. I will force.
Anyways,
I must force you to eat today.
Grandpa, good.
At last.
Grandpa, how have you been?
Been? Hey, your questions. At times, you put me off. I am okay. You can see me eating now.
And your wives. Emphasis on the wives.
Okay. When I left home, they are all fine. No problem. And you know what?
Oh, what, Grandpa?
Your grandpa is marrying another wife, a new wife.
No, you're not.
Who says? Who is that? Are you the ones talking?
Girls,
Good morning, Mom.
go to the kitchen and go help the maids. How are you doing, darlings?
Fine.
Go to the kitchen.
I'm having a good time with my children and what do you mean by you won't get it? Yeah?
Dad, you are not just taking another wife.
I will. That's what I like. You see, you are my daughter. And you must do for me anything that will make me happy. That's
Okay,
all.
let's forget about that, okay? Now let's go to your fourth wife. She actually said that you did not give her the money that I had sent to her through you. Why?
Oh Lord my God, oh God my God. Oguike, why are you doing like this? Anything you send to me, it's my own. And I will give it to whoever I like.
Bami. It's actually my money. So that means that you give it to whoever I ask you to give it to. And you know what? Why are we even talking about this? I know exactly what to do.
Come back here. What will you do? The only thing left for you to do now is to sponsor my new wedding.
Yeah.
Yes. And I will give you the credit. I will just put it in the wedding video that this wedding is proudly sponsored by my lovely daughter, Oguike, in capital letter.
How beautiful that
You can get that. And then what we should just do is get the paper and biro, calculate how much the cost of the hall and the cake, the wedding gown. Or should we go traditional?
Anyone you want. You can even do it home and abroad. How about that one? Home and
Mama Mingo, let's do it here first.
Here first. But guess what? After all this, buy me. Thanks, but no thanks. I will pass on this one. You share.
Wash it. What? Oh, shaking it. Money wash it. Don't show me, Papa. What?
You missing there? You missing there, Joby?
Ẹran jákò polo yàrí ẹ máa wá òòràn ó mọ nǹkan kan. In fact, listen, Olúwakẹ́mi.
Let me quickly trash this.
Oh, I'll go with you.
Is there anything to eat in this kitchen?
Yeah, there is.
Oh, okay, what's it?
This onion.
It's like you haven't met me yet, Auntie Blessing.
Well, I came to spend the Xmas with my family. Martyrs have been bad first week in January. Let me call you back, Martyrs. Right. Yes, sir.
Damn it. Grandfather is here.
Grandpa Lani is here.
Yes. I didn't see him though. I just heard.
Okay, I'll come see you.
This year me not crave for anybody. Christmas to prepare my body. While I'm here, I get plenty. Enjoyment, you can kill this somebody. Yeah, you wanna be commandant. Me, a bossy military. Loco, Korasi Barandiri. You could chop people do. Yeah, you wanna be commandant. Me, a bossy military. Loco, Korasi Barandiri. You could chop people do. Ice water. You don't know. Yagaka. Kese.
Skin. Oh, just the thing became fine.
Dokubo, I just go beg you. Leave me. Leave us. Do you hear me so?
See, mother, nothing you do. If you like bleach, if you like use salt bath, if you like use carotene, you see, Noah, wife, wait not to salt. If you like go collect salt, use a bath. Nothing, you know fit. Your skin no fit even be like this. See skin.
My skin's actually not a big deal.
Adam, mommy, your skin a big deal.
What's a damn mommy? You can call me a Daisy, please.
See, Adam, mommy, now the nickname of a Daisy. This skin, so they fine.
Tokubo, try to close this your mouth. Nonsense. Come, let's go.
Come on, road man, see better thing. See skin. Don't be that your caro blue. See skin. Skin will get skin. This one a yellow skin girl. No one Hey, whiskey. You know sing that song where you need to do the miss. Yellow skin girl. See that your skin. Hey, wahala. I will say my papa in Europe.
Ike.
Grandpa.
Ọmọ Igbo.
Grandpa.
Ọmọ tí ó wẹ̀ tó tọ́.
Grandpa, you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. You see, I decided to show up. You know, it's been a long time. I left home early enough so that I can get here on time. And you know, there is distance between Ikorodu and here.
Yes, Ikorodu is very far from here. You're welcome once again, Grandpa.
Thank you.
I'll see you before I go.
Go where? I go nowhere. I am here for Christmas.
Oh, I see. You made an arrangement to come stay for Christmas.
kind of stupid question? Are you saying I must make arrangements before coming to my children's house?
Oh no, Grandpa, I didn't say that.
So what I said?
I just want
You don't want me here.
Oh no, Grandpa, you can stay.
I won't go. Even if you ask me to go, I won't go. Cheers, Ojare.
Grandpa, you're welcome. Where is your Grandpa? Let me go fetch the ball so you go.
Alright, I'm here.
Right. You're welcome once again.
As usual. Amala, anyway, to tell them.
I'll tell them.
Amala.
Grandpa, you're welcome.
Amala. Or maybe anything that is available.
Alright, I will. Thank you.
For a start. And that's your wife, Oguike. She's fighting with me. I don't want to call her Yeye, but just advise her to cooperate.
I will.
Cooperation matters in whatever we do in life.
Yes, Grandpa. You're welcome once again.
Alright, yeah.
I'll be back.
You know, he has to go. He just have to go because, you know, my father is so dramatic. And, oh my goodness, that man just has to leave this house, please.
Let him stay.
Okay, tell me, I mean, who is going to take care of his wives back home?
They'll be fine. So I think he's here to rest. You know what, Kemi? You don't have to push your father away. No, it's not necessary.
You know what? It's fine. It's fine. I think I know what to do.
What exactly are you going to do?
Never mind. Just, I've got this, okay? I've got this.
Okay. Because of these things.
This game is actually 5 and 3. Oh, hi, Grandpa.
Hey, children, how are you?
Hi.
Are you enjoying your day?
Yes.
Yes, good. I brought something special.
What are those,
Can
Grandpa?
you guess? Can you guess?
Handmade wares?
Can you see them? Yes. These are for you. I'm sure this is yours.
What? I think I want
This should be yours. And this is yours. Where is Ashabi to Shadola? Ashabi, where is he?
She's sleeping. Yeah.
You have to let her put this on. Eh?
Okay.
So you have to put them on because we must have picture. Eh? But you don't want to take photograph with Grandpa?
Oh, why not?
Yeah. Make
Okay,
sure you dress for her also.
Okay. Is this what we're going to wear?
Yes, now can't you see? It's the same thing that I'm wearing now. Can't you see?
Not bad.
Not bad.
Okay, okay, Grandpa.
Quickly. Yeah, come, children, come. Children. Take this thing there. Let's stay. Hey, Lukuma. Come.
Yeah.
No. Let him see. Sharp picture. Very sharp. Eh? Quick. Now let's go. Another posing. Again.
Sure.
Oh, you are the best. Let's go. Sharp. Good. Let me say this. Look at you. Hello, have you seen the pictures I sent to you? I want it today. Sharp pictures, oh. Make it very sharp. Put color, plenty color. Make sure you blend my color with my grandchildren. I'm in my son's in-laws place now, yes. And I want it urgent today. Okay? Good. That's nice.
Just take so. Yes, just take so.
Okay, selfie. All right. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Nice pictures.
Ife, I think we need to start cooking now. Before that bimbo will finish all the onion in this house.
What are you talking about?
She came here asking for food, and I told her there was nothing to eat except the onion I was slicing. Do you know this babe calmed down and started eating the onion?
Ava.
Me say I shock.
This girl like food though.
Too much. Small girl like her at her age.
Wow. Where's Chef Juliet? Let me go get her. Chef Juliet.
Let me see if I'm hungry.
Story. Okay.
All this Yoruba wedding safe.
Honey, respect yourself. Don't even go there. So now tell me, do you want to even compare Igbo wedding to that of Yoruba? Huh?
What are you doing? Don't even start. Don't start. You know you can't compare now. You know these things now. Okay, fine. We have a lot of food at Yoruba weddings.
Okay.
Oh, come on. Yoruba wedding has excess doings. You know it, darling. You know it. Come on. You know it's the truth.
Wait, the story. Doings called doings need.
You know we got doings.
How? How is it doings?
You know.
Oh God. Small thing in Igbo's party, you hear food is finished. Kò sí oúnjẹ o.
Okay, so it's about food, yeah?
You will know that in Yoruba, láyé kò jọ. It can never happen.
Fine.
What?
Fine.
Different food, different clothing, different styles. Oh,
honey.
Everything is...
Sweet, it's fine. You win. Just let's finish up one again. Come on.
Emi.
Let's finish up.
Oh, Emi Oluwakemi. You want to start comparing...
Darling, it's okay. Come on.
Five. 6. Say it.
Look at you.
I'm doing it.
Okay.
2, 3.
Hey, Dad. Mommy. How do I look?
Hey, can you see the thing we are giving you? Can you see my daughter? See your mom.
Mom, you look so pretty.
Pretty, baby. You are looking gorgeous.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you so much.
Where?
We want to step out for a party. Party?
I see. Don't forget there is takeaway.
Oh, Daddy. Cool. That's good.
Alright, take care of yourself. Love you.
Love you too.
Love you. If they have takeaway, bring it to
Be commandant, me a bossy military. Look ice water. You don't know, yagaka. Kese, ha.
If you see Madame and Oga today, hey, my sister, marriage is sweet oh. Hey, when money dey gidigba. My sister, see matching outfits, see attire. Hey, God, e good make money dey. Honestly, I swear. Hey, my sister, guess what?
I don't think I best give me the gist.
If you see the way Grandpa and Bimbo just they praise them, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, if you see the way they just they hate them in their own language.
Chai.
Sister,
Chai.
I can't be envy.
Chai.
Sure.
Hey, me self, I can't wait to marry one or two. Make myself the wear matching outfits, the flex, all those kind of things.
For your dream.
Okay, come on, their dreams they come true.
Yes,
Good day, Grandpa.
Good day. I'm sure you all know that we are all eating ewedu and amala this afternoon.
Ewedu?
Ewedu, of course. Don't change anything. It's ewedu and amala. It's just that you don't know how to prepare begiri. I will have said ewedu begiri and amala, but leave it at ewedu and amala. Start now. Your time is now.
You see what I don't like? You sure say you go fit make ewedu and amala?
Yes, of course.
You sure?
Yes.
Chef Julie.
Okay.
I now. Stars. Most of those children go even like to chop up that thing. So
they don't want to consign them.
So I better go and go.
Yes.
Grandpa, do we actually have to eat this?
Yes, of course. What question? It's our traditional food now. And then you just have to know how to eat it. That is when they will call you original Yoruba girl.
Really? I thought Nigeria is the fatherland, so we're automatically from the Igbo clan, right? But Grandpa, that also means we don't have to eat this, you know.
You can't eat it. You should eat it. Your mother is from Yoruba land. Is that not so? That is why I love Bimbo. Bim. Look, she adapts so easily. Enjoy yourself.
No, Grandpa, the only reason you like Bimbo is because she eats a lot like you.
No, that's not correct. I don't eat a lot. I only like enjoyment.
Why are you children not eating?
They are eating. What is that?
Ewedu. Who prepared this?
Human beings. What is this? Do you have any problem with it? I'm the one that asked them to prepare it.
I don't have any problem with
So?
prepare this for you. But they should also prepare. Where's these girls? Efe.
Look, don't start trouble this afternoon. Okay.
I don't have the time.
Continue your
Chef. Who prepared this? Look at now, the children are not eating. They are complaining they don't like it.
It was Grandpa that said we should prepare.
Yes, I did. I asked them to prepare it. You have problem with this one again.
I don't have a problem with that. Then why didn't you prepare another soup? So they can have alternative. You're looking at me. Now go in there and go and get something else for them.
No, not today. Because we will not waste this food. Look, stop wasting food.
You can go ahead and eat it. Go and prepare another soup for them. Even they will. Okay, so no. Follow me. Kitchen.
You want to?
Follow me.
You follow us.
Ada, try it.
See, if that man comes here, I won't like it at all. I won't even listen to him.
Henceforth, now just to cook different meal. Even the children, their grandma, their mama, wetin happen? All of them desire different thing at the same time. God abeg.
Now wow, so na double work. But wait, Sef, why are we complaining? Shebi na their money. I didn't get their money, so let's get to work.
Abio, as you see me so, I got chop first. I got download first. Do alright before I go do any work for inside this kitchen.
Until they see you, just eat first. See, you're just like Bimbo. There is no difference between the two of you. Only that you don't have international passports.
Insult yourself.
You sabi.
Your fault.
Go work before you find what you dey chop. And that old man I blame for the person extra work.
Hey, Amoibo, be very careful. Be very. What is your problem? I am teaching my children their culture, and you are interrupting. Is it not my right?
Yes, it's your right. But do it the proper way now. Organize.
What nonsense are you talking about? What are you talking about?
What nonsense am I not talking about? You know there is too much pepper in your delicacy, yet you allow them to try it. Bimbo is almost crying.
Don't talk about Bimbo. She eats anything that comes her way. Leave that one.
Please do and go back to your numerous wives. You think I don't know why you're here? I know. You're running away from trouble back home. I know why you're here.
You think I didn't know? But it's trouble. And you want me to marry? I got you there. So I know your problem. You just come straight and tell me you want me to marry you. But unfortunately, you are not my spec.
If you are the last man standing, I would rather remain single.
You are a liar. What?
Can you guys stop? What is going on here? Bami.
Oh, mommy.
Ah!
Oníṣekúṣe lọmọbìnrin kò sọ bí tó ń lọ ojú ẹ lórí ètè ọkàn àgàjì ẹ lórí àgàdì pínká mi ò ṣàlẹ̀ àgàdì pínká. You want me to be your àlè? I don't want to do your àlè. Àgàdì kọ́ àgàlú ni.
What is blessing this? He reached to fight. Which kind of wahala be this? This man too do. He too do. Go back to your wife. You say no. At least, Mama coming around safe is even okay. It's understandable. But what is Grandpa really doing in this house? Just come and visit. Then go back. Not be just to move in, oh. Hey, God, I beg. Be a blessing. Let's even let this kitchen safe like that. What do you think about this?
We should tone it down a bit.
Okay.
What's amusing you?
Apparently, your grandparents are at loggerheads. Please.
Grandma should not insult my grandpa.
Then tell him not to insult my grandma.
I said what I said.
I said what I said too.
And I'm not going to say anything.
Just to understand why she's always insulting grandpa.
He has to go.
Let him stay.
Let him stay? Babe, are you trying to piss me off right now or something?
What's the meaning of that?
My father is constituting...
Nuisance? Say it. Go ahead and insult your father. Let him stay as long as he wants.
Do you know what? I mean, my father is insulting your mom and you want him to stay. You know, as a man... Oh, God.
My mom will leave instead.
Never. Never. As a matter of fact, I don't even know why we're talking about this. You are the man of the house. You go downstairs and tell him to leave.
This is not about who is the man of the house. It's your father. So you tell him instead. You know what? I dash you the title. You are the man of the house. In fact, you are the man of the century. Take it.
No, I can't do this right now.
See, this Christmas hot. When I say hot, it hot. As I enter that supermarket, see hamper. They just do giveaway left, giveaway right. I say, people get money. You see, forget all this thing that saying economy hard. The economy not hard anyway. You see with my eyes see. Hey, I come and say, wow, why I no carry something I go, you just carry.
Beto, una dey here and serious fights they go on for inside.
Who they fight? Are the girls fighting?
No! The grandparents. Beto, it be like say una dey expect am.
Before uncle?
Yes, now. Yes, I know. It's that man. He like wahala. Nothing make me dey call him wahala pro mass.
Too much.
One wahala, get pro.
See, I don't even know. No woman go even tolerate that way they do. No woman. How does he even do it? Very annoying.
Oh, see, I dey go inside in case Oga and Madam need anything to eat this night.
Abi, I dey your back. If I'm not, even go now, say.
Go now. Stay with me this night. You know, say I'm a tag one.
You do alright? Since when did that one start? Fear no day your eye again. Anything we just come here, you go just open your mouth while they talk. Take your time, Mo.
Don't worry. Very soon. Very, very soon. Jemina, me and you. We shall see. We dey here. But think I'm a day. I feel help you catch cool, you catch me cool. Doku.
On your pepper, let me put African ketchup. This one is with pepper. I'll be able to say.
Now, are you not enjoying this food? Now that you're eating it together with everybody, are you not enjoying it?
You know what you are talking about, man.
Grandma, please can you just leave us alone?
Excuse you, was she holding the both of you?
You leave them, let them eat. Can you just eat and not fight?
Hey, talk to your mother. African female Mike Tyson.
Dad, easy. And you? What is funny? What is funny?
Mom, didn't you hear Grandpa? He just called Grandma the female Mike Tyson.
Oh, really?
Mom, I'm sorry.
Oh, jeez. You are supporting your mother-in-law.
Are you not enjoying it? Eat! Let me hear. Yeah, I waste.
You got you cook.
You do.
You do about that. Very good. Very. Stay here. You stay home by the
What are you trying to do?
Trying to.
What are you trying to do? Give me this thing. Give it to me.
Oh man, Ibo.
Look at you.
What's your problem?
You want to have this one. Why don't you pick the one you have the children alone and hang them? Why are you putting this one there?
Am I not their grandfather? Am I not entitled to have my photograph in my daughter's house?
That's why you want to hang this one. You won't hang it.
Look, you know your problem. Eh? Your problem is coconut head. You are not creative, so you are jealous of my strong creativity. That's just it.
No jealous.
Yeah.
Both you and your creativity, go and meet the numerous women you left at.
What?
Is that not your father's voice?
And that is your mother's voice.
Oh, they're fighting again. Jeez.
Oh, Christ. Not again. Not again. Oh.
I think our grandparents are fighting again. That grandpa is such a troublemaker.
No, don't say that. It is grandma that's always causing the fights.
Can we go and separate them already?
Why are these old people shouting? They're fighting again. See, now just to go tell Madam. Abi, in fact, let's go there and shout at them. Eh? I mean, why would they be constituting nuisance like this?
Sorry, is that how you guys talk to your parents at home?
My parents don't behave like this. These people are old now. Let's go now, let's go and see. Julie, you're not coming.
Okay, you get 18 years.
Are you okay?
Okay, 18 years. You got 18 years.
No.
You got 18 years. Give me a man for me. Give me a man. Give me a man. If you have been talking, give me a man.
What's going on? What is this?
I told him to hang the one with the children alone.
Okay.
He want to hang this one.
Do you like this picture or not?
Jesus.
Can I hang the children with me in your house?
You got 18 years.
Will you stop it?
Everything.
Let me have that picture.
I got Menyegi.
Let me have it.
I got Menyegi. 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 Menyegi.
You. Go, let me see you.
I won't give it to you.
Go, let me see you.
Tell him to release me.
Oh, Jesus.
Tell him to release me. Tell him to release me. Tell your father to release me. Do something. Tell your father to release me.
Let me put you there.
Tell your father to release me.
Okay.
Tell your father to release me.
Look am. What kind of man be this one? I know say na him go dey cause problem. I know. You are wahala na 5 and 6. It remains small me you don bring down this house. Everything pass. You have problem na 5 and 6. Now you they supposed to call portable. I don't know you are portable be wahala everywhere.
Sorry, Grandpa. Sorry. Grandma should be arrested. For what?
Girls, I want the both of you to go back to your room and I do not want to hear any voice. Do you hear me? Now, off you go.
This side. Up.
So now Oge is for grandma, while Bimbo is fighting for grandpa. Absolutely nice.
Like, can you imagine? Huh? I mean, this is how division starts.
What is this? Look, Blessing, let's go to the room so that you can massage it very well.
No. Blessing. Back to the kitchen. Thank you.
You little bear.
Dad, if your back is paining you, you need to bear that because you are just so problematic at this point. I can't take all this anymore. I can't.
What are you insinuating? Eh? What do I want to do with this chicken?
Aha! And your wife's bigger than her? Huh?
It is not by body, it is by age. She's a chicken.
Yeah, I can see that. Or we see that.
And, okay, if you want to chef, I will pour water on the two of you. Now!
Oh my goodness.
I keep telling you it is Grandma's fault. You do not want to listen. It's Grandpa's fault. It has nothing to do with Grandpa. It is Grandma. It's Grandpa's fault. How do you know? He started a fight. How do you know?
Oge and Bimbo, I'm trying to sleep, so can you keep it? No. Can you shut up?
Sorry. Nobody should bully me in my country.
Oh, is that so? Then I will definitely break your head. Try me. Just attempt something.
Keep telling her it's Grandma's fault.
Say that again.
Why are you laughing? Isn't that old man? Was there a dislocation?
For where? He's just pretending looking for cheap attention.
Hi. That man is so annoying.
Like?
Somebody I was thinking will go now. Eh? Especially now that he had an accident. Hi. Jehovah. Perfect excuse to go home. Rather has become a perfect excuse for you not to go home at all. Eh? Hi.
Can you imagine? He said I should come to his bedroom and massage him very well. Everybody shouted, no! I felt for him.
Can you imagine? I hate that man so much.
I beg, just leave him. Ignore his antics. I don't know, at his age. I'm suspecting that man.
I don't like him one bit.
Just ignore him. Very cunning. That his age is so cunning like that. She come to his bedroom
and massage him. That's what now.
I see me now, professional masseuse. Voila.
Yes. Oh, why? What nonsense? I can't believe it. Yes.
Why are you screaming? Eh? Let me have the phone. Bring it. Hello? Okay. Don't worry yourself. He'll be back first thing tomorrow morning.
Eh?
Okay. Bye.
Who is going back home? I go nowhere, my dear. I am here on vacation and I'm still on vacation.
Bami.
Mommy.
Dad.
Yes.
This place is not a vacation destination for you, okay?
That's good. I have international passport. So you can actually sponsor me to Bahamas. I can even manage Dubai or Maldives.
Wow. Dad, I didn't know you know all those beautiful places.
Kilo Fishery.
Wow.
Yes.
That's good. But guess what? You know, the money I have been sending to you forth and back would have been enough for you to choose one of these beautiful destinations as a vacation place, and then you can have the best time of your life there.
Look. Uluwakemi. You are treating me badly now. I am your father. You should know that.
We're not disputing that. Just pack your bags and leave. No negotiation on this one, okay? Thank you.
Leave where? I go nowhere. With this bad waist?
Don't go there.
Wait, don't go there.
Don't go there. I know this is the reason why you want to have this conversation. Don't go there. Because you and I know there's nothing wrong with your waist. Huh? There is nothing wrong.
Are you the owner of my body?
I've already told you. Just pack your bag. Buy me. I'll be going. Please be going. Come and be going.
Am I not in trouble? I hope this Igbo woman has not used Igbo juju on my daughter. Eh? Hey, if I travel to Osogbo and come back here, ma swear that I will turn you to foul. But I go nowhere, they make it. Adebi Achon, Peter Achon la wayi. Adebi Achon, Peter Achon la wayi.
Now, if you want to say I'm hungry in Igbo, how do you say it? Agu na agum. Say it.
Agu na agum.
Good. You say it. Hey, also na agum na agum. Agu na agum. Good.
Agu na agum.
That's nice. Nice one. Now, if you want to say, give me water to drink. How do you say that? Nyemumirikango. Giwaku. Ago. Nyemumirikango. Koye. Good, that's it. It's as simple as that. That's nice. We're learning how to speak Igbo.
I see.
So this is what she's doing to win their hearts. I'm going to do something fast, this woman. Hey. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yes, I want to see you.
All right, sir.
How come after knowing that for over 15 years, you don't know how to speak Igbo?
Okay, good question. Well, actually, it's 20 years, okay? 5 years of dating and 15 years of marriage.
I'm not dating for 5 years. Max 6 months.
For me, no dating. Marriage straight up.
Aha! Mama. You see your children, they know exactly what they want.
Ada, what about you?
No, thank you. No dating, no marriage. I don't like stress. Soft life only.
You don't like stress?
I don't like stress, Grandma.
How is getting to know your partner stress? How is it stress?
Oh, Grandma, please. I don't want to have this conversation right now, please.
Okay. You must have the conversation or you can't run away from it. Because you'll definitely get married. Oh yes, all of you. You get to know your partner. That's certain. Eh? No, I'm gonna bring her for me. Bring her. I'll carry her this time. Come back. Television here. Kilibe. Can't you put the program she normally likes? I'm going to carry her. I'm going to stay here. Till you also go watch your television. I'm going to If you go na me take it.
I have heard you, sir. I'll talk to her about it.
Please, let me talk to her. Talk to her. She's so upset. In fact, the little money I asked her to keep
for your new wife. I heard you want to take another wife.
Yes, that's very correct. You had that. It's good now. You know, I mean, to complete it 5. 5 is the average that a man of my caliber should have, you know. 5 wives is good enough for me.
So, is she going to have children too?
Of course, yes. She must have children. If I don't give her children, then that means I am biased. And every woman deserves children. And you should know, it is my own duty, my responsibility to make that happen.
Okay.
Yes.
So, Grandpa, how many children is she going to have?
And then she may not have more than 4. Or 6. You know why? You know it must be 6. You know why? So that I can round up my children to 20 as a number.
Oh.
Nice. You see the calculation?
Yes.
I mean strategists.
Yes. It's all right. I'll talk to her about it.
Yes, talk to her. You know, people respect me a lot. And but I will still be around, you know, at least I will wait for her. There is this birthday.
Oh, Grandpa, you remember?
Oh, I remember everyone's birthday. All my grandchildren.
Oh.
Even yours. Are you not 4th of April?
Oh, Grandpa. It's all good. I'll talk to Kim about it.
Talk to her.
With all the will. I talk to her.
Get me something to drink now.
Oh yes, sir.
Wine or something.
All right, sir. I will.
I prefer that one you gave me the other time.
Okay. I'll bring it, sir.
Thank you. Talk to your wife.
Sure, yes.
What is there? Now I'm going to give you a song. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
When I say 1, you say 1. When I say 2, you say 2. When I say 3, you say go. 1.
1,
2,
2,
3.
go!
Pariboto, mo gbamajo. Pariboto, mo gbamajo. Dance yo! Go! Pariboto, mo gbamajo. Oh, yeah, say it. 1, 2, 3. Go! Pariboto, mo gbamajo. Tika. Pariboto, mo gbamajo. Let
leave these children, let them go to bed.
It's late. Allow the children to go to bed. It's late.
Woman, torí Ọlọ́run, you jealous me so much. Kí ló dé?
Amam, allow them to go to bed.
Amam, go.
Let's go.
Amam,
it's late, children. Go to bed. Ngwa.
Good night, Grandpa.
Good night, children. Tomorrow we go on.
Ngwa, good night.
Why is Grandma like this? Like how? Please. Enough, both of you. Can we just go to sleep? Please move your leg.
Okay, now that you have succeeded dragging me out of their room, so are you going to keep my company in my room tonight?
Look at it. You want to die. But wait, if I follow you to your room, what will you do?
You follow me to my room, let's see.
What will you do?
Look, stop pretending. I know you've been eyeing me since all this. I didn't have your time then, but now, this night, I have your time.
Hi. Olani. Inalani. You've actually gone astray.
What is astray? Do the thing that man always do, and you do the one that women always do. What is astray? Don't deceive yourself. Let's go. Don't. It's an opportunity. Don't waste.
To fear. Please go away. Let me go to my room.
Enter this place.
Me.
Enter.
Look at you. Me enter here. Look at you. Inani. I beg you. Let's go. Let me go to my room, please.
Go to your room.
I'm running. Inani. Where are you going to?
You're going to I can come.
Go to your room. Come to your room. Inani.
Inani. Olodo Rabata.
Good night.
Okay, Bobo. This one I have not been seeing you. You're always inside. I hope you're not trying to impregnate Kenny again. 4 children are enough. Just allow her rest, Nico.
Mama, I'm trying to make a baby boy.
Say me, Chigono. Keep quiet. I'm trying to make a baby boy. I'm trying to make a baby boy. You are an enlightened man, living in a civilized nation. You should know better. Oh, come on. How can you say a thing like that? You should be grateful to God and embrace the 4 beautiful daughters God has blessed you with. You think it's a joke to have 4 beautiful daughters? No, it's not a joke. Allow her to rest. Listen, let me tell you. The outcome of a child is not gender-based. You know what I Look at his head, looking for a male child. I'm looking for a male child. Did they look for a male child? You better allow her to rest.
So what did he say?
He said you're mad at him. That he wants to stay till Ada's birthday, but you wouldn't let him. And that he's also serious about getting a new wife. He wants to get at least 20 children.
20? What?
Tell you.
God, I beg you. I mean, what sort of trouble is this? Huh?
Honey, how's the trouble?
Babe, I mean, can you even think of how much we've had to send to all his wives this year alone? Jeez.
You are the Odogo in the family, so what do you expect?
So, honey, because we are well-to-do, is that the reason why he has to go around getting married and having numerous kids? Is that what you're saying?
Come on, darling. I didn't say that. At least he's marrying them. What would you have done if he goes around sleeping with different women and probably impregnating them? What would you do? And what if marrying these women keeps him alive, strong and healthy? What if?
Wow.
What?
You know what I think? At this point, I think you're actually liking all this situation because you intend to be like him. You know what? Let me ask you something. Is my father's Bami, is he actually your own kind of mentor?
Hey, honey, come on, don't start.
What do you mean don't start? Because you don't even get to see anything wrong in anything he says, anything he does goes well, perfect. You know what? I think at this point he is your mentor.
Honey, what would you have me do? What? He's my father-in-law.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay.
And I cannot be fighting him when the daughter is fighting him. It's not possible.
Beautiful.
Yes.
I see. And now I know who your mentor is.
Hey.
What?
I missed you so much.
Please, sweetheart, at this point, just avoid me. Just avoid me.
Avoid you?
Yes, please.
How's that possible?
Stop. Babe.
babe.
I can't avoid you. That's not possible.
I know your mentor now.
Hey, that's not possible.
Bobby, Bobby's your mentor.
Leave my father-in-law alone. Come on.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry
Christmas!
Okay, Dad. Open salad no look. Open salad na apple. Open salad na apple.
This Christmas.
What's up with open salad?
This year me no crave for anybody. Christmas the people my body. While me I get a plenty. Enjoyment I can kill this nobody. Hey, you wanna be commandant? Me a passy military. Look up Korasi Barandiri. You could chop people do. Hey, you wanna be commandant? Me a passy military. Look up Korasi Barandiri. You could chop people do. Ice water. You don't know. Yagaka. Kese. Ha.
Kemi, it's so good to see you. How are you? How was everything with the holidays, especially with the grandparents around? How was that?
Girl, you don't want to know. Honestly, I mean, it's been a nice one because
Okay.
I mean, you know, this is the festive period and it's okay for everyone to get to bond, families and all that. But I think this is gonna be the last time I will be having my dad and my mother-in-law in the same space.
Tell
No
me
more.
about it. What happened now? Tell me. It can't be that bad. It's the holidays.
Sweetheart, it is bad. Well, for my mother-in-law, she's amazing, okay? She's good with the girls loves her, and I mean, it's okay, I like that. But you see, my dad...
What did daddy do?
Sweetheart,
tell me.
You will not believe that my dad intends to take a 5th wife.
Daddy wants another wife.
Yeah.
You're not easy, oh.
And he wants me to sponsor it. So he wants to, that man just wants to scam me. Again, as usual.
Can you blame the man though? Your house is like, you know, it's like Paris now. Can you blame him?
So, I guess that's the reason why he thinks that my place, my home, is a vacation ground for him. And he thinks that this place is a good cattle ranch for him.
Daddy, can you blame him though? You're living nice. Me, I don't even want to go myself. I just arrived.
Well, honey, enough of my talk. Don't let me bore you with my situation. What's going on with you? You look all fine, smashy, girl.
Thank you, my love. No, everything is great, my dear. The money's flowing. I'm thinking of getting into a few more investments, you know, buying a few more properties and seeing how that lifestyle goes.
Oh, that's my girl.
Small things, my dear. Small things.
But you know, one thing for sure is that you just need to be careful of things that you're trying to invest into because, you know, you just got to be very careful.
Trust me. Okay. I thought ahead of this now. So I'm thinking forest, property, land, you know, small things.
Okay.
Just the land. And then I'll resell it later. So let the value increase over time. My dear, you know I'm book smart now.
I like this. I mean, I like the idea. I like that. You know, that's
thank
amazing.
you, my love. But it's quiet. Where's everyone? Where's everyone? Are they in the house?
Sweetheart, I guess they're upstairs with grandpa.
They are here. The children are here.
They are here.
My dear, take me. Let me go see my Ada now. Let me go see them.
Okay, let's go. But we gotta come back and talk about you, cause girl, you look smart. Look at you,
my dear.
Spin around, baby.
Christmas time. Okay. Cheers to us.
Cheers, baby.
And this Christmas is gonna be fabulous.
I know. I'm so excited to have you.
Let's go see the girls.
Okay, let's go.
Take the wine.
Oh my goodness.
What's going on out there? First of all, happy birthday, big sis.
Happy birthday, my not so big sis.
Good. Oh, let's go.
Christmas is over now. What's the noise about?
Oh God, I know, right? I think the noise is coming from this compound.
It's so loud.
Oh Lord, let's go check.
Let's go.
Okay.
Àṣàkẹ́ o! Ọmọ olóríire o! Happy birthday to you, Aláṣàkẹ́! Aláṣàkẹ́ o! Ọmọ ẹ̀yọ́ o! Aláṣàkẹ́ o! Aláṣàkẹ́ o! Ọmọ ẹ̀yọ́ o! Aláṣàkẹ́ o! Ayẹyẹ ọdún ìbílẹ̀ Aláṣàkẹ́ o! Ayẹyẹ ọdún ìbílẹ̀ Aláṣàkẹ́ o!
ìjà sórí ìdè sáná ilé lẹ́rọ wá gbẹ́mú lọ́rọ̀ kó ìjẹsàrò dà pànàdà ọmọ ẹlẹ́ni àtẹ̀ká o ọmọ ẹlẹ́ni àtẹ̀ká ọmọ ẹlẹ́ni ẹ̀wẹ́lẹ́ ojú ló pa dúdú tẹ ìwẹ́ra fún pupa ìwọ lò kékeré ló ṣẹ̀dá ló ṣàṣọwọ́ lóògùn ìgbàgbọ́ ògòdó lásán àwọn ìjẹsà ètò bá wà ní òmu alásàkẹ́ kò ṣe wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́ kò sẹ́mọ́ bẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ dín kò mọ̀ báwọn jólóye ẹnìkè jólóye dùrọ̀ ìjẹsà ìwọ lọmọ bí ẹjọ́ méje ẹgbẹ́jì bí ẹjọ́ mẹ́ta ẹgbẹ́ mẹ́ta ìjẹsà tó jẹ́ mẹ́wàá ló ṣerú ọwọ́ pẹ́ lẹ́nìrọ̀ ọmọ ẹlẹ́ni ẹ̀wẹ́lẹ́ wọ́n wẹ̀ ò lè wẹ́wẹ́rẹ́ rẹ̀ dànù ó jẹ́rẹ́ ò lè jẹ́ kókó mọ́ ara lẹ́nu àṣàkẹ́ o àṣàkẹ́ o.
Ada, show your grandpa some love now. I made a promise. And I said I'm going to surprise you. And that is a surprise.
Grandpa, I don't like and I don't want your surprise. Okay, if you wanted to surprise me, you would have at least called a big star like Davido, Wizkid, Rema, Ira Star.
That'd be what?
Davido, Grandpa.
I see.
Yes. Grandpa, please. I don't know who those people are, what they are, or why they are so noisy. Please, Grandpa, if you don't want to see the other side of me, get those people out of my house. Now.
Other side.
Please, Grandpa.
The other side of me, Ile Olora. Ìjàgbá ni ọmọ kan ìbáyìí. Ìtẹ́lu tó darí, ẹ máa lọ. Yes, now. It's a mission unaccomplished now. She doesn't like your music. Oh yeah, let's go.
Grandpa,
No, let them go.
Grandpa, let them play. I'll pay.
You will pay?
Yes, Grandpa.
You will pay?
Yes, Grandpa.
Me go win. Me go win.
That was amazing. So everyone is going to spell Ada, and then she cuts the cake.
Okay.
So
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hip hip hip, hooray! Hip hip hip, hooray! Hooray!
So happy for you, darling.
Cheers.
So happy for you, darling.
Cheers.
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 Congratulations, darling.
I think there are people outside.
Oh, you think so?
Yes, I can also.
Here?
Yes.
Why don't we go out and find out? Okay? Come on, let's go. Let's go find out. Come on, baby.
Okay, give me that.
Who did this? Whose idea was all this? Who?
I brought them. The Ogene dancers. It's beautiful.
Grandma, I don't want this. I don't want any of this.
Ada.
Ada!
Honey, please come back. I mean, we didn't cause any of all this. Let's enjoy ourselves.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Play some music for me to dance.
No,
Grandma paid heavily for this.
Ogini, you're even packing your bag. Ogini, is it?
I'm going back to the States, Grandma.
You're going back to the States. Do you know the way to the airport? No, do you know the way to the airport? Do you even have money to take a flight? No, tell me, do you have money to take a flight? You think Nkem and Ikem will give you money for flight? Me, your grandma, I don't even have money to give to you.
Then why did you and Grandpa Olani decide to frustrate me on my birthday?
As for your grandpa, I don't know about him. You see me, I decided to make your birthday colorful. That was why I invited the Ogene dancers.
But Grandma, if you wanted to do that, you would have at least called in Igbo artists like Flavor or Chike, or maybe Onyeka Wenu.
Flavor and Onyeka. They are all in the same lineage now. That's why I brought this Ogene dancers for you now.
Mother, just listen to your grandma.
Grandpa, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear your voice because you're the one that started all this culture performance surprise thing. And now look, Grandma was trying to emulate you or maybe even outdo you. And all on my birthday.
All the same, we are very sorry. Ada, baby, big Ada, biggest of the biggest Ada. Evelyn, we are sorry, or are we not?
Yes, we are sorry. Ada, we are sorry. In fact, we're not going to fight again.
Never. In fact, I have decided to make her my 6th wife.
Hey! I reject it. Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire! Fire! Kanda mama! Fire! Fire!
Marry me!
Fire! Fire! Now you're laughing. Well, let's go. Yeah, thank you, darling.
Me a pass